Hey everyone! Recently Mari Smith turned me on to a hot little Facebook application that you may not have met yet. It's called Audioboo, as boo as in book without the K. But Audioboo allows you to use either your PC or your Mac. I believe they're Mac supported. I'm not real certain on that, or your smartphone. And in my case, I'm using my brand new Android, but she's been using it extensively off of her iPhone. And it allows you to record these short little audio clips that you can then easily syndicate through social media. Well, why is this interesting? This is interesting because while some of us are using video fairly extensively, there's times and places you don't really want to be dragging out the video recorder. There's times and places, maybe, you're on a trip somewhere, you're just not dressed for video. Maybe there's something going on in the background. You can't find a suitable place to shoot a video. That may not stop you, however, from shooting some audio. And this allows you, the little application allows you to create this audio. It uploads from your phone or from your PC, and it's hosted on their site, and it easily ties into Facebook, and it's really neat. So let me give you a quick overview of how this works. You come on Facebook, and you type in Audioboo, and it comes up under Applications. It has this little pink-purple microphone-looking icon. And it comes up here, and you see it. And you just click Go to Application. And this comes up with their main page. And here it's going to ask you to either register or log in. And you're going to want to create an account. And it's going to send you an invitation to your main email account. And you're going to confirm that, and then you're going to come back, and there's just a couple brief settings before you can get started right away. But what you also want to do is you want to get the application in either the App Store or the Market for the Android, depending on which phone you're on, if you're using one of the smartphones. And you can record your little narrative, your little, whatever you want to say with your phone, and then you can tell it to upload. And for the Android, I found that I couldn't find the upload button right away. I couldn't find the save kind of button, and that it was in the menu. I needed to pull up the menu options, and then I had an upload option from there. But you want to come back in, and you want to go to, whoops, let me show you first. First, you go to My Boos, and I just recorded this one just a couple minutes ago. You see it says, I titled it My First Boo, and I tagged it with the word Audioboo. And I uploaded it 8 minutes ago. It was really super simple, real basic app.
Recently turned us
Oops,
on.
Oops, now I started it. Stop. Okay, so here's the Boo, and now we want to go to Settings, and you can set up a variety of things in here. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my real name in here, and my web address. JustAskHim.com. What I want to do is I want to come over here, whoops, let's click Update, and then on the left I want to go Posting to Other Sites. And here I want to open up Facebook, and I want to tell it to connect to Facebook, and it's requesting permission to access my public information, post to my wall, and access data at any time, meaning it's perpetual permissions, which is good because I want it to be able to post without me having to babysit it. Now we have a post to Facebook when you boot. Save. Okay. Now you also can set up some of these others. Let's link it to Twitter real quick. Allow. Connecting via OAuth, so it's nice and secure. That comes back. Okay, and you see you have some other options here for Posteris, friend feed, Tumblr, different things. But that really is all you need to do. Now you can come back here to Boos, and it will auto-publish that whenever you create a new one. But you also, whoops, hold on here. You also can open the Boo. See how I came in here? I'm going to click on the title. Now it's going to assume I want to listen to it, so I need to pause it as soon as it starts. And here I can tweet it or share it or embed it. Now embedding is going to let me put it on my blog. Sharing it, I can share it anywhere on Facebook. and to tweet. Now let's go ahead and click the share. Now if you have it set to auto-publish, it's going to go ahead and publish once anyways. Now the Facebook share has the notorious vanishing cursor, but it usually either comes up or you can type in the box anyways. And you do Playing with Audioboo blog post coming soon. And I'm going to send it to everyone. And I tell that to share. I'm going to share it to Twitter. Wait on it to load. And tweet. And there's also a couple little things in here under edit that you can change, just if you want to change the title, the tags, a base image, a location, things like that. I'm not going to mess with those here. And now you can come back to Facebook. And you can see that it's using my base image for that. And you can see it loads its own, essentially a little embedded audio player. It comes in really nice. I can click it. And it's going to take a minute because my net's being slow. There it is, and it loads its own audio player.
So Mari Smith
and it's going to play that boo, and it'll play that right there. They don't have to click out. They don't have to go anywhere. It can be replied to just like anything else on Facebook. Really, really slick. And the link here is actually the link from back here. So if I wanted to post it somewhere else, say I want to, there's Mari's page, say I want to post it on my social tech page, I can take that link, I can open the, I can say post as a link, and check out my first Audioboo blog post coming soon. Click attach, everyone, show. And again, it embeds properly, it looks right, and it really just works. A real simple application on my Android. She says it's also a real simple application on the iPhone, and I'm inclined to believe that. We've got a lot of people starting to use this, and it's really a neat little technology. It's ideal for when you just want to say a few words, I guess. I don't quite know what the max recording length is. I think it's a couple minutes. It's not real long, but it's ideal for short snippets. It's ideal for little stuff. You know, when you just want to speak more than you can do in the 420 characters you can do in your chat, in your text box. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy this application. I look forward to hearing how you're using Facebook applications to improve relationships in social media. You take care and have a wonderful day. Leave me some comments and feedback below. Let's talk.